The first thing I would do is clear my fractions, and you do that by multiplying every term on both sides by the LCD. In your denominators, your LCD is determined by your denominators, and your denominators are 7 and 14. So the smallest number, the 7 and a 14, will both go into is 14. So you need to multiply every term on both sides by 14. Every term, not every factor. So here, 7 we're going to 14 two times, and that leaves me 2 times a 4t minus 4. Notice I'm just clearing my fractions. I'm not getting rid of my grouping symbols as well. Here, 7 we're going to 14 two times. 10 times 2 is 20. 20t. And then minus, here the 14s cancel, but look how you have a minus sign in front of two terms. So you got to make sure you leave those parentheses because you want the minus sign to go with both of them. Now get rid of your parentheses. That's going to be 8t minus 8 equals 20t minus t minus 4. And that's 8t minus 8 equals 19t minus 4. And let's subtract an 8t from both sides. That leaves you negative 8 equals 11t minus 4. And then add 4 to both sides and get negative 4 equals 11t. And that would be a negative 4 divided by 11 equals t.